This angle is giving me streamer girl. Should I get back into streaming? A discussion for another time. Anyway, welcome to my childhood room, I would say, ish. I'm back at my parents', as you guys can tell, because I'm doing my room tour today. I literally just finished basically getting everything organized, which is why I look disastrous. Disastrous? Is that how you say it? I look like I need a shower, which I will after this video, but I wanted to film this while the daylight is still here, and I feel like my room is looking extra cute right now. So let's do a little room tour. If you've been with me for a while, you'll probably recognize this room because it's the room that I also stayed in 2 years ago and all the years before that. So this room has been featured in my vlogs a lot, but the difference this time is that I think it has never looked this cute before. I have a few new furniture things, a few old ones combined, making it look extra cute. And we're gonna start with this corner in my room, which is right next to the window, so we have daylight coming in. And then I have my desk. This is my old desk. I actually sold my new desk that I bought for the previous apartment because I felt like it was too big for this room. So I'm back with this white one. This white one is not too stable. It's a little, it could like, fall down at any minute, it feels like, but it won't. So then we have my vanity mirror, which I newly bought, and I've made a little bit of content with that in my previous apartment, but of course it had to come here, and I feel like it looks so cute. I think this is definitely something that I missed when I lived in this room before, something like where I can get ready and have a cute little setup. And I do need this whole desk for this setup, but also because I work from home, so I don't have my laptop on here right now, but during the week I will just have my laptop and my second screen out here so I can work from home. And then this little fancy mirror. Oh my god, look, see, I'm bumping into the table and everything is shaking. Anyway, this is from Vanity. It has 3 little light stands that we can use. And then I have my little I'm Just a Girl coaster. This is actually a coaster. I made it myself. Then I have my skincare round little thing here, of course, because I think this is where I will be doing my skincare. I will not be doing it in the bathroom anymore because my bathroom is shared with my parents now and I don't want to take up too much time in there. So I feel like everything that I can do without having to be in the bathroom, I can do it here now. So we have my little skincare tray over here, this thing with my jewelry and a few separate makeup stuff that didn't fit in here. Then my sister and her boyfriend just came home with some bubble tea for me and they got this gifted, so they gave it to me as well. Can't wait to try that out. On this side of my desk, I have this wooden thing that I also recently bought, and I think it's nice to keep everything organized up here. I have my little, garbage can, a little night light lamp thing, this thing for my skincare routine, my speaker. I also got myself some band-aids previously. And here I have some hair stuff. This tray, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it here, but for now it's here. That has my cotton pads and my cleansing wipes. I think for now it looks cute. It might be filled up with more stuff, but for now there's nothing else that needs to go in there really. Then I have my iPad here, my charger, my vlog camera case. This desk space I would probably like to keep as clean as possible because I do have to work here, so I can easily like pull out my laptop and start working. If this gets cluttered, then I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, But then down here, it might seem like it's stuffed, but for me, I don't touch it when I'm sitting, so I don't mind that it's all underneath here. And I did have to do it like this because I don't have space anywhere else to keep it. So over here we have a little drawer situation. It just has like some random stuff in here that I didn't really have space for anywhere else. This is my Dyson, which is nice to keep here because I will be doing my hair over here at this little station of mine. Then over here we have this little bench which we actually used as a table in my old apartment, but it's actually a little foot bench thing where you can sit. If you put it in your hallway, you can basically sit on it to put on your shoes and stuff. I put it underneath here. Up top we have my makeup. So on the left is a lot of makeup in a little box, and then on the right is my makeup bag that I can easily pull out from down here and then use up here. Then underneath it, I stuffed this thing in here. It fit well for me, and I kind of like the look a little bit of wooden with this little tray thing. This one just has like a few towels and some bedsheet stuff that I will probably need, but not reach for too often. Underneath here, I have a really heavy skincare box thing with all this stuff that I will still use at some point in my life, and I think it fits well underneath there because nothing else is happening there. And then on the side we have a little bit of space where I just put my laptop back. I think that's the nicest way to put it away. So that's this little corner here. I think it looks super cute, and I can't wait to like actually be doing my skincare here and working here because I literally moved in last night or like yesterday. And I haven't been able to use this because I just organized it, as I said, like 10 minutes ago. And now I'm already filming my room tour because I'm so excited about it. But yeah, I'm gonna be on this little chair of mine and then show you the rest of the room. Because if we turn to the right, which is also where you enter the room over there, you have my massive bed. This is not the bed that I was sleeping on in my apartment, but this is another bed of mine that I bought as well when I was living here, but it's really big. It's 180 and my previous bed was 160, so it's like it's taking up a lot of space, but I like the look of it. It's cute, and also if my boyfriend comes over and he sleeps here, we have a lot of room for the both of us to like have a good night's rest. Then on the wall I have my Rosie picture. I don't know what else I would put here, and I feel like she complements the girly pop aesthetic that I'm trying to have in this room, so I just have her there for now. On the bed, I just have the same sheets that I also used in my previous home, and then on the left, there's like a gap between the mattress and where the wall is because of the frame of the bed. So I just basically stuffed it with like pillows and some plushies. Then next to the entrance, we have this really big wooden closet, and I've already had this in this room. I didn't move it with me when I went to the apartment, so it is still here. This is also quite a big furniture piece, but I love the detailing of it, and I love that it's wooden. It has like a door that you can shove aside, and then you can open up the area on the left side. So let's go through the left side first. Oh no, let's go on top first. On top I have my Legos. That one I'm not gonna unbox. I built it in the previous apartment, but it's probably gonna go to my new apartment after I move back from Barcelona. So I'm just gonna have it up there. Next to that, I have my Jordans, Nikes that I barely wear. I just felt like it could be on top of this. And then this is a box full of my electronics that I don't need right now. It has my cameras and stuff. Just gonna keep it over there neat because it didn't fit underneath my desk. And over here we have 4 areas where I can put stuff, and I don't think that this area is fully finished yet, but for now I don't really have a lot of other stuff that I need to put here. On the first top shelf we have a little mirror here. I cannot see myself in here. As you can see, I need to like be up here with my eyes if I would like to see myself, but my boyfriend is definitely like a head or more taller than me, so I think he will be able to see himself fine in here. And then I feel like this could be his getting ready area for when he has to go to work. And then I put a few of his stuff here. This is for me. Girls, get your cranberry in. I heard this is really good for our body, so I've been taking these supplements. And then just like our toothbrushes and whatever, you know, the essentials. Let's go to the second shelf. Over here we have on the left side tissues. I think like this is easy to reach because the left side is fully open, so we can reach this super easily. Then here I have a few shower bathroom essentials that I barely reach for, but I need to have them in case I ever need them, I guess. And of course my pink hairbrush. Then here we have a little garbage bin for if you use tissues, you can just put it in here right away, because I do have my garbage bin on my desk as I showed you guys just now, but that's more for if I do my skincare over there and you don't want to really be walking in this tight space up and down to just throw something away in the garbage bin. And behind here I have a bit of space left, but I don't have anything that I need to put there for now, so we're just gonna keep that empty. Then over here, the third shelf, I dedicated it to my press-on nails. You know, I'm in my press-on nails phase right now. Before I go to Barcelona, which is in about 6 weeks, I still want to make 9 pairs of these. And I felt like this is a cute thing that I want to have on display because I will be reaching for this often. And yeah, I chose to do that with this shelf. Then we go to the bottom shelf. I'm not gonna open these. These basically have socks and underwear, which I feel like is nice to have in my room over here because this is something that I'm gonna reach often for. On the left, I have my how do you call this? Washing thing where you put dirty clothes in, basically. I feel like that's a nice space next to the door, easy to reach. Can go to the bathroom easily to do my washes. Then we're gonna slide this back to the right side. And then I have a few clothes here. This is definitely still undecided what I'm gonna do here because I will be filming a few hauls in this room. So I feel like it's gonna be cute to hang the clothes that I'm gonna show for the haul over here. And then have this as the background. I feel like that's definitely the vibes. For now, I just didn't have a place for these clothes, so I'm hanging them here. And then underneath it, I have a towel, some loungewear. There's nothing in here yet. I don't know if I'm gonna use that or not. And then I also left the bottom one open because I still have to actually unpack my suitcase, which has all my clothes that I've been wearing. And they still need to go somewhere. And if you're wondering, how do all your clothes fit here? They don't. So don't worry. I have another room upstairs. But I actually go in between two rooms at my parents' house. So this room is basically like a showroom. Like you could say that it's a showroom because it has nothing in here. I try to have nothing in here. I try to keep it minimal. Obviously my essentials, but everything that I really need, like my clothes and stuff, is all upstairs. So I'm not gonna store it here. And then below here, I did keep a few of my shoes. I think that's just a nice place to keep them. Then we move on to this little corner over here, which is cute, but also kind of cluttered. But I had no choice but to put my lounge chair over here. I did actually put my lounge chair up for sale, so someone can buy it if they want. But for now, I'm gonna keep it in this room. I feel like it looks cozy though. And you know how you always have a chair where you put like a lot of cluttered stuff on it? This will be that chair. So don't mind me already cluttering it with some stuff, and it will probably be filled anytime soon. Then of course I had to bring my mirror back because I need to see my fits, and also if I do my hauls I like to have my full length mirror over here. So we have a mirror against a mirror. Is that bad energy or is that bad energy? I don't know. You tell me. Then I also have my little cart, which is super sad because I thought this cart might have been able to be fit in between here, and it definitely doesn't. So it doesn't fit underneath the table and it doesn't fit next to the table. So I guess this is where it's gonna be, and for now I have all my packages in here because I need to unbox them anyway, and then this way it's like nice and neat and I can roll it around for wherever I need to use it. So I guess that's kind of cute. And also behind this lounge chair I hid a few of my stuff. It's my little light that I film with, and also my tripod is somewhere down there. This thing I got installed during COVID when I was living here, and I felt like that might have been nice to have as a desk, but it turned out that it's not nice to have as a desk, and it's also not nice to be facing the wall when you're working at your desk. So I'm super happy that I just have this desk for now. Then obviously I have my little chair here that had to go with me. I feel like this one is a little bulky for my room, but it sits nicely and I do need to work here a lot. So I think it's an essential to have. And then we just have my little curtains over here. And definitely I have another curtain behind it, which will hide more of the light so that it's not as light and bright. But I feel like it definitely gives a good vibe if you have it up like this and the room is nicely lit. So I hope this little room tour was not too messy, very impromptu filming, and yeah, I can't wait to be filming here and making like content here. You will see it on my socials. You can follow me on my socials at Thuvan. Will be probably linked down below somewhere. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!